Do you ever wonder how hot some places on Earth can really get? Here's the twist. There are locations on this planet where the heat is so extreme. It can cook you alive or burn a metal watch on your wrist without a flame. In this video, we'll explore why these places get so incredibly hot and what it actually feels like to be there. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll see just how far Earth can push temperature. Welcome to Earth Diary. Let's dive in. The hottest air temperature ever recorded on Earth is in Death Valley, 56.7 degrees Celsius, measured in 1913. Here, the rain shadow effect of the Sierra Nevada forces air to sink and compress, heating at about 10 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Combine that with bare rock radiating stored solar heat, and the entire valley turns into a natural oven. It feels like stepping into a pizza oven. Sweat evaporates instantly, and metal burns your skin. But here's the twist. This record may not be entirely reliable. The thermometer was likely placed too close to sun-heated rocks, and nearby locations were over 10 degrees Celsius cooler, which doesn't quite add up. Some modern studies suggest the real temperature was closer to 49 degrees Celsius. Still brutally hot, just not record-shattering. So, if this record is questionable, which place comes next? The second highest temperature ever recorded comes from this Saharan town in Kebili, Tunisia. 55 degrees Celsius in 1931. Here, the Sahara heat low-pressure zone pulls in hot, sinking air from the subtropical high-pressure belt. As this air descends, it compresses and heats up further, adding another 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. At the same time, the nearby Shot El Jared salt flats, North Africa's largest, reflect up to 30 to 50% of sunlight, acting like a giant mirror. With almost no vegetation or moisture to absorb heat, temperatures skyrocket. But once again, this record is controversial. In the 1930s, measurements weren't always reliable. Thermometers were sometimes placed directly on hot sand, and nearby stations recorded temperatures 10 to 15 degrees Celsius lower, raising serious doubts. Still, the conditions here are extreme. Heat so intense it distorts reality. Soldiers reportedly hallucinated within 30 minutes, and even hardy desert trees struggled to survive. So if historic records like Kebili are uncertain, what do modern, reliable measurements show? One of the highest accurately measured air temperatures on Earth was recorded at 53.9 degrees Celsius in Mitribah, Kuwait in 2016, and verified under modern WMO standards. This region is driven by an intense Persian Gulf heat dome, a massive high-pressure system, where sinking air compresses and heats up rapidly near the surface. In such extreme heat, cars overheated, dashboards warped, and tires risked bursting under the pressure. Not just extreme, but one of the first indisputable modern benchmarks of heat. So, here's another contender for the highest temperature, but not in the air, on the ground. It is Lut Desert with 70.7 degrees Celsius surface temperature. This is the highest land surface temperature ever recorded on Earth. In 2005, NASA's MODIS satellite detected black volcanic rocks here, heating up to a staggering 70.7 degrees Celsius. But here's the catch. The air temperature was only around 50 degrees Celsius. So, while the air was scorching, the ground was literally cooking. These dark rocks absorb up to 95% of incoming sunlight. And with almost no moisture or vegetation, there's nothing to cool the surface down. On top of that, the desert sits in a basin surrounded by mountains, which creates a strong rain shadow effect, blocking moisture almost completely. It feels like walking on a natural frying pan. Shoes can soften or even melt on the rocks, and rising heat waves distort the air above the surface. But what if a place stayed brutally hot not just for a day, but all year round? Dallol in Ethiopia holds the record for the highest average temperature on Earth. A staggering 34 degrees Celsius year-round, sustained over 7 continuous years of observations. This makes it the hottest, historically inhabited place on Earth. Why it is so hot? Dallol lies deep inside the Danakil Depression, one of the lowest and hottest regions on the planet. Heat rises constantly from hydrothermal activity and a far rift volcanism, while vast salt flats reflect intense solar radiation back into the air. On top of that, surrounding highlands create a rain shadow, blocking moisture and trapping heat in the basin. The result? Relentless, inescapable heat every single day of the year. Here, it feels like working beside boiling acid pools, under a blazing sun, with no relief. Heat stroke is a constant threat, and survival here means enduring one of the harshest environments on Earth. But extreme heat isn't just about intensity. Sometimes, it's about how fast it changes. This incredible event was recorded on January 22, 1943, in Spearfish, South Dakota, when the temperature jumped by 22 degrees Celsius in just 2 minutes, from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 7.2 degrees Celsius. Yes, in just 2 minutes. What caused it? A powerful Chinook wind. Mild Pacific air rushed over the Rocky Mountains and then descended rapidly. As it dropped, the air compressed and warmed at a rate of about 10 degrees Celsius per kilometer. The result? An almost instant surge in temperature. It was like people were caught in a blizzard one moment, taking off heavy winter coats the next, and then sweating within minutes. And that's how quickly nature can turn. Now, if you think this is extreme, wait till you see the coldest places on Earth, where temperatures drop so low your lungs can freeze in seconds. Watch that next, only on Earth Diary. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's wildest extremes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful, science-driven explorations of our planet.